Hi everyone, welcome back. Today in this video I will show you new AI software that create full coloring book and sell it on Amazon KDP. The software is called Nur Creator. You find the link in the description. This is dashboard of Nur Creator. It's easy to use and anyone you can create full coloring books today. Here you can type any prompts you want or just one keyword. And for example, we try to write lines for create coloring page of lines. Type lines, choose the style, choose here, choose size, choose style, and the first tips we choose the line style too, and create and click on create image. New creator will gives you four clean and simple coloring page, and you can download it as a PDF and sell it on Amazon KDP. It's optimized for size and anything you want. If you want to create your first coloring books with New Creator, you will find the link in the description, and see you the next one.